Ang programang ito ay hatid.
There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You are just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Time and again, there are those changes that we cannot end. Sure as time keeps going on and on, my love for you will be forever I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with Never thought I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forever.
We're having so much fun, of course. This is my first soap
Yes.
ever. So, natutuwa ako. It's a different experience for me. Marami akong natututunan. Pero nakakapagod din.
Ilang times sa week ang taping?
Ako 3 times a week.
Ngarag.
Nga ganito. Pero masaya naman kami sa sets.
Mukhang light lang yung drama, hindi
Oo,
masyado,
hindi naman
diba?
masyado.
As of now,
As of-
wala pang pigaan
Wala pa
yan.
namang magsasampalan ng plancha. Wala pa naman. Sukdulan na yun eh.
Ariel,
We're having great fun. We really, at the end of the day, we're all tired. But when we see the product, we see it all coming together. We're really, we're happy with the outcome of that.
your soap is directed by...
Mark Reyes.
Ay, nako. Maganda nga yung finished product niyan.
Yes.
Tingnan natin kung mas maganda ang finished product natin ngayong gabi.
Sana.
Let's play round 1 dito sa All Star.
And I imagine you living without your smile.
Ariel? Ah, Pinky!
I know you're shy. At para bang ako'y nababaliw. Sabihin mong ako'y mahal mo rin.
Correct, Ariel! Alright! Get ready.
My huckleberry friend, Moon River.
Correct again, Ariel! Instrumental. Dance number mula kay Ariel. Sabi ko na, nangangamoy perfect. Perfect nga! Kailan na perfect? Alamin natin. At least makakapag-usap na tayo ngayon. Ikaw si Angeline Sagrado sa Forever in My Heart.
Yes. Ako yung character ko dito, naniniwala siya sa soulmates.
Wow.
And buong buhay niya, hinahanap niya yung yung kapartner niya in life.
May ano ba
She's
to?
very, very romantic.
May pagkakahawig ba to sa real life?
Hindi rin.
Hindi rin.
Hindi rin. Hindi rin. But I'm very excited because this is the first time na gagawin ko to.
Ang soap opera, actually, no?
Never ko pa nagawa ito and I'm very happy at saka nagpapasalamat ako sa GMA7 for giving me this opportunity to have my own soap and be able to work with Ariel Rivera and Richard Gomez and of course the rest of the cast.
I'm sure kung paano kasi sinuportahan ng mga fans mo sa concerts, sa iba mong TV shows, ganon din dito. Kaya good luck sa inyo sa Forever in My Heart. Ang aawitin mo, Reg, ay classic hit song ng pop jazz singer na si Angela Bofill na sumikat noong 1978. Regine, kay ka na!
Hindi ako sure. Kay na!
Kay na kayong lahat!
Kay na kay!
Music! Darling, can't you see?
Have a change of heart. Don't leave me standing in the dark.
Be sweeter. Our love will run deeper.
I won't mess around. I won't let you.
Ito! Hoy! Nakadalawang perfect na kayo! Tingnan mo nga naman, parang hindi talaga ako nagkamali sa pagsabing ito na yata magiging record holder. Dalawang perfect na! 100 uli ngayon plus 135 kanina, 235,000. May ama pala yun. Now!
This mountain is alive. Feels like the world upon my shoulder.
Correct! Ariel?
Feel the clouds and see them shine. Keeps me warmer when it's colder.
Oh,
There's no line.
yes, correct! Ariel!
I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me.
Patay na si service bet. Pag tama ang sagot nyo, pwede kayong manalo ng 25,000 pesos. At may bonus na 5,000 pesos ang 7,533rd valid texter. Kaya, text back na. Ariel! So, pagbabalik na. Sabay-sabay tayo magturo, ha? All-Star K! The 1 million peso video game challenge. Ayan,
Kay na!
Kay na kayong dalawa!
Kay na Kay!
Let's play one-on-one. Unahan sa katayan dito sa All-Star K, the 1 million peso video game challenge. At narito na ang unang clue. Duet ito ni Celine Dion at Barbra Streisand. Music. Regine.
Tell him that the sun and moon rise in his eyes. Reach out to